My dear students, today I am going to tell you about the syllabus of English class 10 session 2020-21. There are three sections to be asked in the upcoming board examination. तीन सेक्शन में आपके पूरा इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट रहेगा. पहला सेक्शन है आपका रीडिंग सेक्शन. रीडिंग सेक्शन कंसिस्ट ऑफ 20 मार्क्स. Reading section consists of 20 marks. Okay. Second section is grammar section and writing section. Grammar section consists of 10 marks and writing section consists of again 10 marks. 20 plus 10 plus 10 total 40. And literature section contains 40 marks. 40 plus 40 80 marks. It means you have to give great emphasis on literature section so that you can come up with flying colors. Okay. Now learn what type of question will come in writing section, in grammar and in reading section, in grammar and writing section, and in literature section. So far reading section is concerned, first passage will be discursive passage of 400 to 450 words. One passage will be given and on the basis of that passage 12 questions will be asked and you have to answer 10 out of that. You have to answer 10 questions out of 12 questions from the discursive passage given in question number 1 of reading section. Reading section के question number 1 में एक discursive passage आएगा, उसमें description दिया रहेगा किसी चीज का. Discursive means description of the passage of the topic और उसमें 12 question रहेगा और उस 12 में आपको out of 12 आपको 10 बनाना है. 1 mark each, 1 into 10, 10 marks. First passage completed. Second passage for the reading section, again it will consist of 10 marks. Okay. It will be factual passage and it will be based on data interpretation. Suppose a pie chart has been given or means you have to analyze the passage. Analytical paragraph will be given. It is also known as case study. Okay, suppose a pie chart has been given and in pie chart it has been reflected that 10% of the students are riding the bike and they are causing accident because they are not very much skilled in riding and moreover they have not been provided with driving license. 20% of the accidents are caused due to traffic problem. Okay, means data, you have to interpret the data, you have to analyze the data and thereafter 12 questions will be given on the basis of the analytical paragraph and you have to write 10 questions, 1 mark each, 1 into 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 20, reading section finished. But in reading section, one more reading section will be given that will be taken from literature section. Again of 10 marks. Okay. In literature section, it will be given either extract of poem or extract of fiction. Extract means fragment. Means fiction का कुछ part दिया रहेगा, उसके base पे question रहेगा. And you have to answer that. That literature section consists of 10 marks. So you must know the summary of each and every lesson. कौन से lesson से आएगा, कौन से poem से आएगा, nobody knows. तो आपको जब वो लाइन पढ़ोगे ना तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये क्वेश्चन ये लेसन से है. मान लीजिए नेम द ऑथर बोल दिया, नेम द लेसन बोल दिया. सो यू मस्ट बी वेरी मच केयरफुल. सो लिटरेचर 10 marks will be asked in reading section. So in total there will be 3 passage in reading section. First of all, one discursive passage containing 10 marks. Second, one analytical paragraph consisting 10 marks. And third, one extract from literature. Okay. And that will contain also 10 marks. One extract or 2 extract may be asked by the examiners. Okay. So 30 marks reading section. Now grammar 10 marks. For grammar you have to go through the portion. जो भी है portion में deleted को हटाकर tense, voice, narration जो भी है उसको पढ़े. And again in grammar there will be 12 questions. You have to answer 10 questions for 10 marks. Each one. Okay. There may be analytical paragraph in grammar also. Paragraph has been given, blank have been given and you have to fill up the blank. Each blank contains 1 marks. or any kind of grammatical questions can be asked, but it consists of only 10 marks. Okay. It has been given that 12 questions from the grammar section will be asked and you have to answer 10. So far CBSE pattern of examination is concerned. Writing section, 2 questions will be asked from writing section. First of all, formal letter. There is no chance of asking informal letter. Formal letters are those letters where formalities are maintained. Letters writing to the authorities are termed as formal letters. ठीक है, जहां अथॉरिटी को लिखना है वो फॉर्मल लेटर होगा, तो वो आएगा आपका 5 मार्क्स. ओके. एंड सेकंड इज एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ. अगेन पाई चार्ट और टेबल रिप्रेजेंटेशन मींस सम इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी गिवन एंड यू हैव टू write those information in paragraph. It will again contain 5 marks. So 5 plus 5 10. 30 plus 20 50 marks over. Next, literature section, 30 marks more will be asked from literature. So first of all, there will be 6 questions will be given from first book, that is First Flight, and you have to answer 4. 2 marks each. 2 4s are 8 marks. Okay. Again from the second book, First Flight, and the name of the second book is Footprints Without Feet. Okay. From that it will be asked again 6 questions, but of 3 marks each. 3 into 4 12 marks. 12 plus 8 20. One long question will be asked from First Flight, and once again long question will be asked from Footprints Without Feet. Means 2 questions will be given. You have to write one from them. So 30. So 30 plus 20 plus 30. Total 80 marks, and 20 marks contains internal assessment, that is listening skill, writing skill, your average of the 3 best 2 PTs, oral test, quiz, all these. That depends upon your performance. Okay. So you must complete your project work and submit it to the concerned teacher. So far subject English is concerned, or any other subject, each subject contains 20 internal assessment marks that should be done. Okay. Thank you.